In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade a Google Workspace subscription. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in the admin console, how to compare plans, and what to review before you click Confirm. First, open the Google Admin Console and sign in with an administrator account. You'll need a role with billing privileges. If you don't see billing in the menu, you're probably signed in with a user account that doesn't have the right permissions. Switch to an admin account and continue. Inside the admin console, open billing, then choose subscriptions. This page lists all products for your organization. Locate Google Workspace and note the plan name shown on the subscription card. This is your current edition. Next, click your active Google Workspace subscription to open its details. You might see editions like Business Starter, Business Standard, Business Plus, or Enterprise. The exact options you see depend on your region and your existing contract. Now click Upgrade, or in some cases, Switch Plan. Both paths take you to the same place: Google's list of available upgrade options based on your current edition and commitment. If one of these buttons doesn't appear, double-check that you selected the Workspace subscription itself and not an add-on. Before you proceed, compare the plans carefully. Look at storage per user, maximum Google Meet participants and recording features, built-in security and compliance tools, available AI features, and device management capabilities. Think about your immediate needs and the next 12 months so you're not upgrading again right away. Google usually provides a side-by-side summary. Open the details for anything you're unsure about. When you've chosen a plan, review the billing details. Confirm whether you're selecting monthly or annual pricing, check the number of users that will be licensed, and verify the payment method on file. Be aware that switching commitment terms can change your flexibility to add or remove users, and charges may be prorated from the moment you upgrade. If everything looks right, confirm the upgrade. After you confirm, wait for activation. Most upgrades take effect within minutes. New features will roll out automatically to users in your organization. If you don't see changes right away, refresh the admin console or sign out and back in. You can verify the upgrade by returning to billing, opening subscriptions, and checking that your Workspace plan now shows the new edition. That's it! You've upgraded your Google Workspace subscription with confidence.